So guys, you guys can see the way this piece is looking. So guys, after some brainstorming, I came up with this idea. So guys, what do we have here? So these are irons which are used to secure pipes to the wall. So we'll be using these irons, we'll be connecting them to this side crankcase, and we'll find a way to use it to connect to, you can see these points right here, these 3 points. We'll find a way to connect the screws. You can see the side, each one of them has this bolt right here, which some of them will be going in to this side, and the other side will be connected to this point. You can see we have some threadings here, we have another one here, we have two right here. So we'll find a way to connect them to the DC motor and to the side crankcase. So that is what we're going to be doing. So guys, the way we want to make this system work is to connect, after the shaft coming out from this point right here, we are going to connect this fan. This fan will be used to cool the DC motor. The fan will be connected somewhere here, though it's going to have some space. It's going to be coming out a little bit. It's going to sit down right here. You can see it's the same circumference, so it's going to sit down right here, and the DC motor will be connected, will be at the top. The DC motor will be at the top just like this. So, and since the DC motor is going to be connected this way, we're going to use those iron pieces we're going to make advantage of these slots, connecting them from here to this point right here. That is where this one comes in. So guys, you guys can see the way this piece is looking. You can see after connecting the bolt right here, and each one of them, you can see how it looks like. We're still going to try to curve these ones a little bit so that it's not going to be too wide, and look at how it looks like from the back. You can see we made use of those bolts right there, and it's coming out well. It's coming out well. These still are very solid, that's why I went for them. The aim is to reduce our costs. They were not that costly, so that's why I went for them instead of welding, so we can make use of this. Now it's time to install the side crank casing on the alternator. So we're going to apply a little bit of force to it. So right now the side crank casing is in, and what we're going to do, we're going to use these screws. We can see that there are about 6 of them. So each one of these screws will be going in to these slots. So we're going to start putting them one by one. So let's do that right now. So guys, all screws are all in there. So you can see the shaft is rolling freely because of the assistance of the ball bearing. So what we're going to do, we need to attach something to the flywheel, to this shaft right here, like more like a flywheel, but we're going to be using something different. I've been doing a lot of brainstorming, and I came up with the idea to use this one. This is a gear system. It's inside a big generator. So you can see what I did was to put 2 screws right here, and these 2 screws will be used to drive the shafts through the DC motor. So what we're going to do right here is to connect these 2 bolts right here. One of them will go there, and the other one would come to this side right here. Good. So this one, we're placing it on top the shaft. You can see it. After placing it on top the shaft, we're going to use this bolt right here to hold it right down. So guys, you can see everything is in place. This bolt right here is holding this one firmly to the shaft. You can see how it's spinning freely. You can see how it's spinning freely. Good. So now what we're going to do is to connect. You can see this slot right here. We have 2 threadings here. We have another 2 right here. We're going to be making use of it. This is where the DC motor comes in. So guys, I'm going to show you how the DC motor is going to go in to the it's going to be mounted to this side crankcase. So this is how the DC motor is. You can see those pipe straps are connected to it, and this is how the fan will be connected to it. You can see the bolts are in there holding it in place. The fan is to be able to cool the DC motor. So this is how it's going to sit down. We're going to be connecting it this way. So now the DC motor is in place. You can see this is where the screws will be going in. You can see those threadings right there. One will be going in here and another one right here. So we're going to be using these screws. Remember, these screws came with the straps, the pipe straps. I'm going to show you. So these are the pipe straps. You can see these bolts came with it right here, and it happens that they are the same threading, they are the same size with the side crankcase, and it's going to be connected right here. One will be connected here, and the other one will be connected right here. So guys, later on we're going to be connecting a belt right here to loop the both of them, a leather, so that this one will be able to drive the shaft in there. So you can see how it is. So later on, stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next upload. The next upload, we are going to be testing the generator. So guys, stay tuned.